Hello, TypeTwice here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to place text behind an object in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I found an image of a building, as you can see right here, and let's say we want to place text behind this image and primarily behind this in the skies right here. You can actually do this in a really easy way. The first thing you want to do is to mask this building out. You can use different selection tools. In this case I will use the pen tool. If it's a smaller object you might use the lasso tool or quick selection tool. But in this case where there is a lot of details, the pen tool is great. So let's just start right here and start creating a selection around this object. I will do this a little fast, but I would recommend you use some time on this. And just like this. Let's just connect the selection right here. We have now created our selection and we are now soon ready to make our text. And you should also know that there is a lot of ways of doing this, but this way I'm showing you in this video is what I typically do. So when you have created your selection, go into your layers panel and press on paths right here. And as you can see, there is now a selection named work path. Let's just double click on this and name this something. Let's just name it text object and press OK. Now you want to hold down Control and click on the selection right here. Then go back to your layers panel and let's just unlock this. So we got our layer right here. And then you want to hold down Control and J to create a copy. And as you can see, we have now created a copy of the selection in our image. So if we remove the original image, we now have this object cut out. Now we can actually start creating our text. So go over to the type tool. The keyboard shortcut for that is T. And let's just press here. And let's call this Venice, because this image is taken in Venice. And let's just scale this up a bit. And as you can see right now, there isn't really anything happening. But if you take the text layer that right now is on top and bring it down to the middle, so it's in between the original image and the copy we just made, and just let go. And as you can see, the text is now behind the object. And you can now move this around. Let's scale this up just a bit, just like this. And that is how you actually place text behind an image or object. That was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what video we should do next time. That was all from here. See you in the next one.